Wasn't I just working overtime?
How did I transmigrate into a primitive tribe?
Who are you? How did you end up here?
My name is Lu Yao. I just woke up and found myself here. What happened here?
3 days ago, our tribe was ambushed. They had iron spears and outnumbered us. We are the only ones left.
Huh? No fire, no food, and a blizzard outside! We're going to get totally wiped out! Quick, start a fire!
Without fire, none of us will survive tonight.
Try again. We can't give up.
I can't die here right after I just got here.
Open pit coal. Decent quality coal. Combustible. Average moisture resistance. New item discovered. Free attribute points +5.
So it wasn't a dream! The golden finger is real, and this is actually coal!
Can this burn? Can this black stone start a fire? Only one way to find out.
Cave spider. Arthropod. Spider silk has extreme toughness. Usable for suturing wounds or making emergency ropes.
Is this my golden finger?
Let me test it out.
Currently, 2 species have been unlocked in the illustrated handbook. Reach 30% progress to unlock the newbie reward.
Fire pouch spell. If I unlock one last thing, I'll be able to start a fire!
Watch out.
Oh no, a wolf got in.
If we don't get a fire going soon.
Got it! Let me appraise this!
Wait, extremely thick and cold resistant. Newbie quest completed. Reward unlocked. Fire spell.
I did it!
I'll risk it and lure the wolves away.
Let there be light.
This is a god-tier skill.
I'm here! Get back!
You saved us all.
Treat them.
We have fire now, but we're still out of food. Who is willing to follow me out to hunt? Although it's freezing cold and covered in snow.
We must brave this danger together.
Chief, I'll go.
Chief, I'm coming with you.
What's wrong?
Finding prey in this weather is almost impossible.
Going out now is suicide.
But I have an idea. There must be a lake nearby, right?
But that's useless. We can't catch any fish there. The lake is frozen solid.
I have a method. Will you guys head out? Bring back a few hard, straight branches for me.
All right. I trust you.
Status. System. Allocate points. All into strength.
Just as I thought. I'm completely untrained.
Successfully unlocked item. Simple harpoon. Rewarded life skill. Harpoon skill. Level 1. Rewarded. 1 free attribute point.
Follow me to the frozen lake. Mu Hong is the strongest warrior in our tribe. Even he can't break through this ice. Let me try. Oh!
But with all this noise, even if the ice breaks, won't the fish be scared away?
Slightly to the left.
Prophet, we're saved.
Whoa! Whoa!
Found you. Those pests are actually still alive, and they even know how to fish like this. Wipe them all out.
We actually caught so many fish.
Brother, I have a question. If we break the ice, shouldn't all the fish be scared away? How did you manage to catch so many?
That's because once the ice is broken, the fish are drawn to the oxygen and surface to breathe.
Oh,
So that's how it works.
You're amazing. These fish will feed the entire tribe for a whole day. And you also brought us fire. You're Lu Yao, right? You're the savior of our entire tribe. On behalf of the chief, I thank you from the bottom of my heart.
This is so delicious. Of course. Look who grilled it.
Run.
Run!
This freezing wind is just too brutal.
Oh no. The fire.
If this keeps up, this cave will be completely uninhabitable.
I have a plan.
We need a door.
A door.
What's that?
Once I build it, you'll see.
Mu Hong, I need you to take some men and chop down some trees right now.
They're all here!
Great. We're all set.
Now it's my turn.
With the help of the system's construction function, it's moving completely on its own. Soon, the door will be handcrafted and ready.
Move it to the cave entrance. It blocked all the wind! It's really not cold anymore!
This is amazing!
This is truly like a creation of the gods.
It doesn't just block the wind. Even wolves won't be able to get in now. So this thing is called a door.
The cave is safe now.
Successfully unlocked item. Primitive door. Reward. 5 free attribute points.
Even though I've transmigrated to this primitive world with my golden finger, I'm going to survive and live a life far more thrilling than my previous one.
Not Junki. That snow wolf is back. Listen to that. This time, it's probably the entire pack.
If it weren't for this door, we would have all ended up as food for the wolves.
We can't just let the pack linger outside the door.
We have to kill them!
But we can't even get out right now.
There's no need to go out.
We have a door, and doors can be opened using the leftover wood from building the door, along with these sharp stones. We can craft much more powerful stone spears.
Open it a crack!
Perfect.
Let's charge out now and wipe them all out.
We did it!
With so much wolf meat, it's enough to keep us alive for half a month. From now on, he's my boss. Even though it's just a snow wolf cub, its strength is far greater than a human's. At this distance,
Boss is in danger.
what terrifying power. Boss, why didn't you just finish this beast off with your axe?
The other snow wolves didn't show a taming problem, but this little cub can be tamed.
Manhwa, go bring over a grilled fish.
Sure thing, boss. Meet me.
Accept me as your master.
Or die.
How is that snow wolf not attacking us?
People in this era shouldn't have entered the pastoral age yet.
Could I be the first person to tame one?
Move all these snow wolves into the cave! We've got wolf meat to eat!
Who's there?
It's a flying spear thrown by that group. It's them. They slaughtered our tribe, leaving only a dozen of us to be driven here.
Quick!
Get back into the cave and close the door.
No! We can't!
Those guys only left earlier because their group wasn't fully gathered. That guy must have gone back to alert their tribe. If they all come to besiege us while we're hiding here, we'll be dead meat. The door can keep wolves out, but it absolutely won't stop them.
Then what do you suggest we do?
Chief, if you'll listen to me, we must abandon this cave and find a new place to settle. As for these spoils, we have to abandon them all.
All right, I agree. But Moho is injured and can't run at all. We can't leave him behind.
Chief, take everyone and retreat. Don't worry about me. There's no saving me from this wound. My mother once had a brother. His wound was smaller than mine, but a few days later, he got a fever and started raving.
And died in agony.
Cut the drama!
That was because of an infection.
Infection? What's that?
Take him back to the cave first! I can save him. I'll be right back.
Around here.
There must be the traditional herbs our ancestors used to treat wounds.
Successfully registered a new species. Reward. 5 free attribute points.
Perfect! This is exactly what I was looking for.
Awesome! Got it!
I must hurry back.
Huh?
Wait, what is that?
Chew this up and apply it to the wound.
The pain will naturally ease.
Will this really work? My wound suddenly stopped hurting. This is amazing.
You're practically a prophet.
Then let's get out of here quickly. Those guys will be tracking us down soon. Sorry, but I've already wasted too much time.
We don't need to run.
Not leaving? But we can't settle here anymore. They're hunting us.
Simple. We just kill them all.
You don't understand. Not only do they outnumber us, but they also have iron weapons. Our weapons are no match for theirs.
I can make a much more powerful weapon, far superior to theirs.
Okay.
This is the material for making bowstrings. Next, we can use flexible hardwood for the bow body. As for the arrows, reeds, or thin bamboo, or even branches will do. The arrowheads can be made from sharpened animal bones.
What are you waiting for?
Go get the things I just mentioned. Hurry and get ready! Everyone move! Quick!
Right away. All the materials are ready.
Thank you.
Let me make the very first hunting bow of this primitive tribe.
Congratulations to the host for successfully crafting the first moon bow. Reward, 10 free attribute points. Reward, skill. Archery, mastery, level 1.
Awesome.
Once we mass-produce bows and arrows and distribute them to everyone, it'll be like ranged units picking off infantry.
We won't have to fear any incoming enemies. Oh no! The enemy is here!
What? The ancient god has arrived.
System, dump all my attribute points into strength.
Now, leave the rest to me.
I finally found the survivors we failed to wipe out. Our great iron cavalry will crush all enemies.
Ah, wait. No.
Wait, what's going on here? No!
It's divine power.
What kind of weapon is that? How did my men die?
Boss, this weapon is insanely powerful.
What is this weapon called?
It's called a bow.
Muho, I asked you to get everyone making bows like mine.
Are they ready? They are all ready. Good. Now, everyone, charge out with me.
Oh no. Run! Interesting. Let me try it too.
This thing
Doesn't require that much force.
Chief, run! Hurry! If we're too slow, we'll all get stung to death by those things.
Who ordered you to retreat?
But...
Retreat again, and this will be your fate. Everyone, charge.
If anyone shows fear, I'll make sure they don't eat for 3 days.
Cover my retreat, all of you.
That guy is brutally cruel to his own men. That's life in the primitive era. Oh no! Boss, there's still one left here.
Didn't expect to find a survivor.
Wu Hong is so strong, yet she's no match for him.
Everyone, attack at once!
Capture him alive!
What's your name?
Snowball. This guy is incredibly strong. Be careful.
He is from the Mountain Wolf tribe. After this defeat, Skeleton will definitely seek revenge. How do you plan to handle this?
He wanted to leave us with nowhere to live. So we'll just take over his territory and claim it as our home. Your only choice is to join us. I assume you'll make the right choice.
I will never betray my tribe.
Strip him of his beast skins and throw him out into the snow!
In this bitterly cold weather, ordinary people wouldn't last a few seconds.
Boss, it's been 3 minutes, and Snowball still hasn't begged for mercy. And he doesn't seem to feel the cold at all.
It's useless. I was born with a cold-resistant constitution.
He actually has such an incredible constitution.
If I can win him over to our side. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Bring him back in.
I suppose the next step is to kill me. I'm ready.
Snowball.
Why are you so loyal to the Mountain Wolf tribe? Skeleton is brutal to his own men and constantly withholds food.
What's so good about serving him?
Aren't all chiefs like that? Besides, he took me in when I was a child.
Of course I won't betray him.
You probably haven't had a full meal in days, right?
Our tribe's hunting success rate is very low. Except for the chief. Everyone goes hungry. There's nothing we can do about it.
But here...
Things are completely different.
Eat. Okay.
This must be their tribe's precious rations. Are you trying to make me defect? Let me tell you, even if you feed me, I won't betray my tribe. So, just kill me. At least I'll die on a full stomach.
Who said anything about killing you?
You can go.
Huh?
You're letting me go.
I just want you to see what a truly great tribe looks like. Under Skull, everyone is nothing but his slave. But here, everyone gets to eat their fill.
That wolf leg you just ate? That's just our normal daily ration.
Fine, you let me go. Don't regret it.
Boss!
Are we really just letting him go?
I want him to go back, and spread the word that our tribe has plenty of meat to eat.
But once he gets back, he'll definitely lead Skull straight to us. They'll come for revenge. And this time, they'll be prepared.
I know. That's why. We will beat them at their own game.
We just need to set up traps outside the cave in advance.
Once Skull and his men arrive, victory will be ours!
Traps. What are those?
These primitive people haven't even mastered basic hunting traps yet.
The noose trap, a revolutionary and deadly trap, using a slipknot snare to instantly incapacitate enemies.
Boss, will this thing really work?
Just wait and see.
Eating meat. Aren't they supposed to be desperate runaways? Huh? How are they living better than our tribe? Besides, they killed so many of my men. This grudge must be avenged. Sure. Have those people relocated yet?
Brother, do we really have to be enemies with them?
That is the rule between different tribes. Speak up! I raced you for nothing!
They haven't moved.
This time, I will mobilize the entire tribe for revenge.
But Chief,
They have those devilish weapons that can kill us from far away. We are no match for them.
Nonsense. Devilish weapons? I figured them out long ago. Those things require aiming. I already have a way to counter them. Under the cover of night, their weapons won't be able to hit us at all. Everyone sneaking close together and kill them.
Boss,
it's so dark.
do you think they won't show up?
On a night this dark, even if they do come, we'll have a hard time spotting them.
Everyone, get ready! They're here. Amazing!
They actually came. Boss, how did you spot them?
Well done.
Let's give you a name.
I'll call you 小白.
But it's so dark. How are we supposed to use our hunting bows?
We don't need to use bows at all. Don't forget, I set traps earlier today.
Chief, they are making a sound. It seems they haven't noticed us at all. All of this is thanks to your brilliance, Chief, coming up with such a clever plan.
What are you waiting for? Charge! Wipe them out completely.
It looks like you're truly doomed.
What?
What is this? The devil? A demon? Something's got me! Help! As expected of the boss.
Every last one of them got caught.
So, this is what you call a trap. It's truly amazing. Everyone. Kill all these enemies who slaughtered our brothers and sisters! Use their blood to avenge us!
Stop right there.
Stop.
Tell me the truth. Did you collude with them to set me up? I'll kill you.
As expected of the boss, our aim is so terrible, but the boss can still hit the target every time, even in pitch black.
Host capability. Archery mastery level 1 has upgraded. Archery mastery level 2. Host has crafted a noose trap and successfully captured prey. Rewarded 10 free attribute points.
No. How could I lose? Impossible.
You slaughtered so many of my people. I will make you pay in blood. Die, skeleton.
Shiva!
The Mountain Wolf tribe has been completely defeated. Let's take over the Mountain Wolf tribe's territory next.
Thank you, Luya. If it weren't for you, my tribe and I wouldn't have survived, much less have gotten our revenge. From today on, I will trust whatever you say unconditionally. Everyone, march toward the Mountain Wolf tribe.
After crossing over for so many days, I finally don't have to live in a cave anymore.
This is so comfortable.
Ever since we were hunted by the Mountain Wolf tribe, I never thought I'd get such a good night's sleep.
Luya, these are all the Mountain Wolf tribe captives we took last night.
Chief, your hands are stained with our people's blood. Kill them all.
Wu Hong, stop!
Chief, what's wrong?
Luya, how do you think we should deal with these captives?
We can't kill them.
Sigh. In this primitive era, the way they treat enemies is truly brutal.
These aren't just captives.
This is valuable labor.
In the future, our tribe will face even more ferocious
Beasts and even more powerful hostile tribes.
We won't survive unless we grow. People are our most precious resource.
I'm prepared to die.
Get it over with.
Who said I was going to kill you?
This time, you're sparing me again.
This is the second time you've fallen into my hands, and Skeleton is already dead.
Serve me! What's going on? According to the rules, defeated tribes are always completely wiped out. It's all that hateful skeleton's fault.
He was incompetent and brutal.
And got us all sent to our deaths.
Do you want to live?
I'm giving you a chance. Join my tribe.
None of you will have to die.
If you don't believe my sincerity, just look at him.
He was captured by me twice, but I released him both times. I even treated him to a delicious meal of roasted wolf meat. If you join my tribe,
Everyone!
we'll have enough to eat every single day.
Enough to eat every day?
It seems he really is going to spare us.
Let's join.
We are willing to join. Are you really letting us go? Untie everyone, and then serve the food.
Bring out all the wolf beasts.
From last time. Could it be that this chief is truly different from all the others?
Don't grab mine! I want to go too!
Let me have a bite. From now on.
These guys will all be loyal.
I've never heard of treating captives like this. You are incredible.
But boss, all of our food has been eaten up. And the winter isn't over yet. Hunting is going to be tough. How are we going to feed so many people?
That's indeed a problem. As long as we hold on until spring, everything will be much easier.
Until then, I'll find a way.
But with snow everywhere right now, it's hard to find enough prey.
It's simple. We rely on him. The snow wolf.
You fought snow wolves for so long. Let me ask you, what is a wolf's greatest strength?
Boss, I have no idea.
Sigh, it's their sense of smell.
Very soon.
I'll let you all witness.
How capable he is.
Xiaobei, it's all up to you.
Everyone, keep up. Shoot!
Oh no, boss, that white deer ran away. We can't catch up at all.
Watch me. Allocate all attribute points to agility.
In this primitive era, animal sizes are truly astonishing.
This single catch is enough to feed the entire tribe for days.
Come here. Carry it all back.
As expected of the boss. Even the way he eats is more refined than the women in our tribe.
You really know how to get things done. Lu, it's all thanks to you. Now the entire tribe is finally united. Why don't you give our tribe a name?
A name, huh? Let's call it
The Great Wilderness Tribe.
What a great name!
Yes! We shall conquer this primordial wilderness. In this era, I will definitely survive and thrive.
Congratulations to the host on successfully establishing a tribe. Reward, 20 free attribute points. And a skill, Healing Spell, level 1.
healing spell. Healing spell. It really works.
Lu Yao, what happened to you just now? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Then, what were you shouting just now?
Well, yeah, this meat tastes terrible.
Boss.
Are you sick? This meat is a rare delicacy to all of us.
Well, for you guys, sure. But I've tasted modern seasonings. When I first crossed over and was freezing and starving, I could tolerate it. But this doesn't even have salt. How am I supposed to eat this?
Salt. What is that?
That's it. Tomorrow, no matter what.
I must get some salt.
Boss, but we've never heard of such a thing.
You might not have heard of it, but none of you can live without it.
Without it,
People will feel weak all over.
and could even die.
Huh?
Let me ask you.
Do you periodically crave drinking beast blood? That's actually a way to get salt. It's just highly inefficient. Tomorrow, I'll take you to find natural salt.
There it is! That's salt!
But boss,
It's on the other side of the river. It's too cold. We can't cross over.
It really is hard to cross. It's too much trouble to build a boat right now. Let me go. I'll be fine.
I'm not afraid of the cold.
I almost forgot about you.
Right then.
Huh? Is this what salt tastes like?
Look at his reaction. No doubt about it.
Benefactor, but how are we going to carry this salt to the other side?
You don't need to worry about that.
Just guard it there for now.
I'll be right back.
Where are we going now?
To make pottery.
We're going to find clay and fine sand so we can make containers for the salt.
I found the fine sand.
With fine sand, we can make pottery.
水球,
Come back for now. We'll return for the salt once we fired the pottery. Benefactor, I spotted members of another tribe.
What did you say? Did you see them with your own eyes?
That's right.
They are right across the river, and I know who they are. They must be from the Wild Wolf tribe.
You know them.
Skeleton has always had close ties with the Wild Wolf tribe. He was their chief's lackey.
Oh, right.
Every 10 days, the Wild Wolf tribe goes to Skeleton to collect prey. As a protection fee, if they find out Skeleton is dead.
Why didn't you tell me this earlier?
How big is their tribe?
Probably 3 times larger than Skeleton's tribe.
That's so many people.
My tribe has just survived one disaster, only to be dragged into an even bigger one.
It's not that bad. I have a plan.
Really?
Let's head back first.
Boss, how exactly do we make this pottery?
Without a proper pottery kiln to control the temperature, the success rate is indeed very low. Keep firing them. We'll succeed sooner or later. Once we have pottery, we can drink boiled water and store our salt.
Lu Yao, I'd still love to hear your advice on fighting the Wild Wolf tribe. If all else fails, I'll have no choice but to lead my people away immediately and search for a new home.
Don't panic.
Just watch me.
We'll follow this diagram to build a wooden wall that is easy to defend and hard to attack. Then, we'll build a watchtower to fortify the entire tribe. I want the entire tribe, regardless of age or gender, to be fully mobilized. We'll spend a few days focusing all our efforts on building this.
Chief!
Are you willing to trust and support me?
I believe in you.
Host skill level 2 has upgraded to level 3.
Awesome! Now my archery skills can absolutely crush this primitive world.
What is the leader doing here?
He's so amazing. I came to ask how confident you are about facing the Wild Wolf tribe, but seeing your archery skills now, I feel strangely reassured.
Did you spot something? Is this... armor? This is a godsend!
Luya, don't be reckless. Horned dragons are extremely fierce, and even spears can pierce their armored hide. Your sword won't do a thing.
What incredible agility!
Doesn't it have any weaknesses?
Well, there is one. Its eyes. That is the only part of the horned dragon's body that isn't armored. But there's no way you could... Oh my god.
Trip, look! What is that? That's a horned dragon! Who could have slain such a massive beast? Wait, isn't that the skeleton territory? I've never seen this man before.
Chief, the woman next to that man.
Looks like you, the one who fought Skull. To think this woman dares to show her face here so openly. Impossible. Could Skull have already been killed by him? That's the only possibility.
Otherwise, she wouldn't be here.
Well, that works out just fine.
They're just a small tribe anyway. I'll wipe them out right now to avenge Skull. And that woman, I'm going to claim her. She is mine. Let's get out of here and plan our next move.
It worked!
I didn't let the boss down. I finally made our first clay pot. Oh, I've never seen such a genius design, as expected of our benefactor.
Not bad.
When the enemy attacks, we just need to block the wooden door from the inside. This will not only keep out large creatures like horned dragons,
But other tribes...
won't stand a chance of breaking in either.
I've already had the others bring back the prey. Lu Yao, why did you ask them to strip off the horned dragon's hide and combine it with the animal hides we wear?
Because I want to make real armor.
You'll see once it's done. Something outside seems to be slamming against our wall. Shut the gate, quick.
Get up to the watchtower and take a look.
A bear.
Why would a black bear attack our walls for no reason?
No idea, but this thing is incredibly strong. If it keeps tearing at it...
Wall will give way!
Lu Yao, look!
There are more bears coming.
Chief, your plan is absolutely brilliant. Luring the black bears into their tribe first to start a massacre.
Once these black bears attack,
But afterward,
with their tribe's strengths, they're probably all dead by now. Then we can take everything they have without lifting a finger.
all right.
It's time to go check it out.
Let's move. Follow me.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
What is this?
The secret behind the black bear attack is right here. This thing is called a frenzy berry. Those black bears must have eaten this.
Lu Yao, you're practically a prophet. You actually know so much.
So you're saying we were just unlucky?
No, frenzy berries only grow on very tall trees. Bears can't easily get them on their own. So we were definitely set up.
Chief, what is that?
All the black bears we lured were blocked by this wall and died outside. They didn't even manage to break in.
How could this happen? Oh. Here's our chance. Attack immediately.
This is definitely the wild wolf tribe's doing. But since this wall can hold off bears, stopping them will definitely be no problem. We are safe.
Close the gate. Get on the watchtowers to fight back. I'll look after him.
Don't worry about me. Liu Yao.
With injuries like this, I'm a goner for sure. But our tribe has you now.
Even if I die,
I won't have any worries. From now on, the chief of this tribe will be you.
did you know? The biggest dream of every woman in the tribe is to marry the strongest and smartest man.
If I could live,
I'd really want
to marry you. But I'm about to die.
Who said you're going to die? Healing spell.
King Shan is bleeding again. Shengli,
This is definitely divine power. He is a true god.